Okay, we're about done with shoveling the sidewalks. And I'll tell you one thing I've observed for sure. Maybe it isn't always the case, but I've seen it before. It's easier to get it off the bluestone than it is the concrete, which is what the neighbor has. It doesn't slice off there very good at all. Off here it's coming off pretty decent. It's still hard work, it's heavy, and it doesn't come off perfectly, but it definitely comes off better. And the other advantage of the Bluestone is this black is going to heat up a lot faster. If that sun comes out at all, this is going to heat up and clear off really good. And I'm not putting any salt on it or anything. I don't use salt. If I need something, I use ashes. So that's not the reason it's coming up. The reason it's coming up is because it's black and it's stone. And it just isn't grabbing like it does to the concrete. Okay, let's finish this up. And by the way, this shovel is working better than the other ones. Not as likely to break the plastic ones. It's aluminum one, which I thought I'd get rid of, but I haven't. So what kind of shovel do you need? It depends on what kind of snow you're dealing with. In this case, this shovel is the ticket. It's a little on the short side. I wish it was a little longer, but hey, it's better than breaking the plastic one. Okay, let's finish it up, and then we can get to work on some other stuff.